Once upon a time, in a thick and beautiful forest, there lived a very clever fox. He was known among all animals for his intelligence and his proud, bushy tail. The fox loved his tail very much. He would often show it off as he walked gracefully through the forest. One day, while searching for food near a nearby village, the fox smelled something delicious. This must be an easy meal, he thought happily. Without thinking much, he followed the smell, and suddenly snap! He was caught in a hunter's trap. The fox panicked. He pulled and pushed with all his strength, but the trap held him tightly. Hours passed, and the fox grew tired and scared. If I don't escape soon, the hunter will come back, he thought. With one final, desperate effort, the fox twisted his body and pulled as hard as he could. At last, he broke free, but his beautiful tail was left behind in the trap. The fox ran deep into the forest, and stopped near a quiet stream. When he looked at his reflection in the water, he was shocked. His tail was gone. "Oh no, what will the others think of me?" he said sadly. He felt ashamed and hid in the bushes for many days, avoiding all the other animals. After some time, the fox started to worry. "I cannot hide forever. I must find a way to face everyone," he thought. Being clever, he came up with a plan. The next day, he called a meeting of all the foxes in the forest. Curious, the foxes gathered around him. The tailless fox stood proudly and said, "My dear friends, I have discovered something very important. Our tails are useless. They are heavy, they get caught in bushes, and they slow us down. Life is much better without them. We should all cut off our tails and live freely." Some young foxes looked at each other and whispered, "Maybe he is right," but others were unsure. Just then, an old and wise fox stepped forward. He had lived in the forest for many years and understood the tricks of others. He calmly said, "My friend, your idea sounds interesting, but tell me, honestly, if you still had your tail, would you be giving us the same advice?" The crowd became silent. The tailless fox lowered his head. He had no answer. Everyone now understood his trick. He was only trying to make others like him so he would not feel embarrassed. Feeling ashamed, the fox quietly walked away into the forest. From that day on, the other foxes learned an important lesson and became more careful about whom they trusted. Moral of the story: think carefully before following someone's advice. People may speak for their own benefit,